Hello and welcome to this video. In this video we're going to take a deep dive into this little device here, which according to the box is all you will need to be able to get rid of this and these. Let's take a look. Hello, my name is Aaron Patrick. I'm a chartered accountant, a certified UK trainer for Intuit QuickBooks with a fancy new logo, that QuickBooks chapter on the internet, and also head of accounts here at Boffix. Now, if you haven't already, head over to the Boffix channel, speaking of Boffix, because we've already done the unboxing and first impressions, initial setup, all that sort of stuff that relates to this device. And basically that device is designed to take away the Zettle experience, or at least elevate the Zettle experience to the next level. You see, here on the channel, we absolutely love Zettle paired with a mobile phone or an iPad because it gives you that option to take card payments nice and straightforward. And especially with a phone or with an iPad with a cellular connection, you've got that opportunity to be able to take connection and take payments anywhere you are without having to need to worry about having things like a stable Wi-Fi connection or anything like that. So here on the channel, we absolutely love this solution, and giving the opportunity for small businesses to be able to take payments on the go is a huge thing, especially in this day and age where paying with your watch is what most people would want to do if they had the opportunity. That whole idea of tap and go, keeping yourself going, having that friction and less friction with clients means that hopefully you take more sales going forward. And as we said on the other video, we love these solutions apart from when they don't go well. So for example, if this loses power, then you won't be able to take any more payments. If for some reason these devices are playing up and then don't want to talk to one another, there's all manner of times where every now and again, at that 1% out of 99, you'll find that you're not able to take a payment because of some sort of hardware restriction. And that's where this device comes into play. You see, the idea is it puts everything all in one device. This has Wi-Fi connection. This has a SIM card. Basically, this device, all lit up nicely like this, is our way of being able to take payments on the go. Just like before, I go into my Zettle, I go to sell, I go Sony headphones, I pick my product, I put my price, or I have my price already set, I press charge, I press card, it's now waiting for my payment, and if like magic, I grab my watch, I mark my payment, and there I've been charged. Give me the option from here, print the receipt, email, or even send a text message. Dead straightforward. Now, drop a comments below if you want to see more of this action, what happens next. So I can hook up a printer, I can look at ways in which you can send emails, text messages, and even with Zettle, they have a fancy dock where you put the dock in to charge it, and it's also got a built-in printer as well. So again, if you want to be seeing that, drop comments in below and we'll get one ordered. And this works really, really well. But why are we excited about it on this channel? Well, head over to the iZettle control panel here. Well, first of all, you'll notice this is completely and utterly cloud-based. So anyone can get access to it. So that means that getting the information into our QuickBooks software couldn't be easier. In fact, it gets so simple because I can go into my integrations just down here, and you'll notice there is an option here to connect directly to QuickBooks. Now over on the Boffix channel, we've already shown exactly how this integration works. So we'll make sure there's a link to it, but head over to that video to see exactly how you can combine the two software. But effectively, once you've gone through these options here and you're happy putting the connection together, then QuickBooks itself will automatically receive that income. Meaning that every time I go in and I get myself some expenses, so I've got these ones here, then I'm going to see those appear within QuickBooks Online. So that looks really good, doesn't it? And the ability now that this one device can do all of that. But we can take it even further. So what this device also has, according to the box here, is it has a barcode scanner. So let's really deep dive into what we can do with this device. So the bits I'm really excited in is, if I just put in a passcode here, is trying out this whole stock management solution. Now, okay, let's imagine I've started selling on my shop. And on my shop, I've got a brand new product line, which is the DJ Osmo 5. I want to add that to my store as a brand new stock. So through here, I can click on add new products. I can choose what color it looks. I can even add an image at izettle.com. DJI. So I'm adding a new product. Let's just call it £1. Let's say it cost me 50p. And let's say I want some inventory tracking and I already have 2 in stock. Let's say my low stock limit is if I have less than 3. And my SKU, and that's for internal purposes, barcode. Now this is where I'm hoping that this gets a bit exciting. So on here, I have a barcode. So I'm hoping I can just bring this barcode in. It doesn't seem to give me a chance to scan it in, which is a shame, but I can put the numbers in. So I get the chance to add variants, I could do before, but the magic here I'm hoping is the fact I've put my barcode in there. So let's press the plus button. Inventory. Okay, so how do I use my barcode scanner? So under settings, I have the option to go in to see my payment types. One of the new ones is PayPal as well, where you can activate and it will appear as a payment option going forward. So that's cool. So we'll check that out as well. You have the option to put tipping on, and you have the option to do always print receipt here as well. Now, I'm struggling to figure out how to use the barcode scanner, unless it's constantly looking. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. So, proof. Zettle Terminal. Can you read that? With a barcode scanner. It definitely says with barcode scanner. On the back of it, it shows the barcode scanning element and the little button there to say that it's a barcode scanner. My device. Missing said button. Missing said barcode scan. I was very confused when I opened this up and did the unboxing, going, well, they've managed to fit the barcode scanner in very stealthily. Yeah, that's because that, unlike this photo here, barcode version. So how well does this device work with a barcode? Who knows? Because they didn't send me the right one. I'm currently talking to him with chat at the moment. Hopefully we'll get to sort this out. Hopefully we'll be able to figure this out. What it does mean is this video may well be a to be continued, but it's definitely something I want to enjoy. Quick update from the chat. Please, Aaron, allow me to clarify that the terminal with barcode scanner is actually not available yet. And upon further research, it looks like it's not available till 2022. Which begs the question, why was I able to order the product with barcode scanner, because that's the order I put through, and why did I receive the box? So yeah, disappointing, but it is what it is. So our review so far of this machine, absolutely love it. Bit disappointing that we haven't got the full functionality, but do comment below about if you want to see how it works connected to a till system and connected also to a printer as well. If that's something you want to see, drop a comment below and we'll do some more research on it. I'm also very tempted to get myself the back end of it as well, but I'm just a little bit apprehensive about what they'll send me based on what's happened. So now, one thing we can check out before we go though is the low stock alert. So at the moment I've got DJI Osmos, only 2 of them. If I went to buy this, sell, go to shopping chart, there we are. There's your one item left in stock item just there. So that's going to be really handy, and that will help you be able to go from there. Also, let's see, when I charge, I can now pay with PayPal. And what it's doing is asking me to scan my QR code. So let's scan that. Stay in the node, get a push notification on you to start that one again. Okay, so yeah, let's go to that link. It says, how do you want to pay? Confirm. What can I say? I'm underrated. 1, 2, 3, baby, can't you see? Okay, so far it's taken them quite a while, isn't it? Payment timed out. Interesting. Okay, let's try one more time. That didn't quite work as intended, but this time I've gone into my PayPal app and I've got the QR code directly from here. So let's see if this works. Ah, that looks like a better screen, doesn't it? So from here then I can use the Pay Now button. Let's pay now arbitrage. You paid them thingy. Then from here I can send them a text message. So let's do receipt sent. And then over here, clicking on the receipt, there's my receipt that's come through. And it should give me some indication that it was paid by PayPal just there, look. So that feature works well. One thing you've got to remember on that feature though is ask your customers to go into PayPal itself, and you'll see in the top right hand corner just there, when you click on that, that's when they get the QR code. That's when they can make that payment. So that's why I would suggest, for me, my initial reaction was I'll just use a QR code and hope for the best. It's not worked quite like that. But again, as I said in the other video, I think the big benefit of this is by people who are walking around, maybe a restaurant or a cafe or something like that. They can take that with them and go from there. So there we have it. I've just been on the chat to Zettle themselves, just said that it's a printing error and that the barcode with scanner won't be available till 2022. Also had a look as well, and they're out of stock currently for the dock with the printer as well, which is disappointing, but I am sure I will keep an eye on it and get one ordered ASAP if that's what you want. Remember, put the comments in below. And with that, I think that's pretty much it. Great device, loving the whole PayPal payment integration and being able to pay via that. Definitely a unique one. The fact it integrates directly with QuickBooks makes it an absolute no-brainer in my opinion. Disappointing not to have the barcode-y element of it to show you all, but I'm sure we'll figure that out as and when we need to. With that, I'm going to leave it there. If they come back with any more elements to it, then I will, I'm sure I'll let you know. For now, that's the end of this video. As always, drop me a comment below if there's anything else you want to see from this. My name's been I'm Patrick, and as always, it's been an absolute pleasure to do this video for you. And I'm sure I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. All the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him, nah, 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 nah. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. Hello and thank you for watching that video. What you may not know is this channel that you've watched this video from is part of a wider group. That wider group is called Apple Core Production, and the 3 channels that we have involved are as follows: Aaron Patrick, the QuickBooks Chat, Boffick's Tax Tip. Finally, we have Apple Core Live and Geeky. All the links and everything are down below in the description, but it really means a lot to us if you can go and give a like to the other channels as well.